Every girl must know this makeup look. It's the most soft glam makeup look that you can do, and it will suit every kind of look, everyday look, or any other look that you're planning to do. You just have to modify it a bit. So let's start with a fresh face. I just did my skincare, and this is my skin, quite glowy and quite good. Now I'm going in with a primer that is like a shiny primer, shimmery primer. You can do it according to your skin type. If you have more pores, go for a like a blurring primer. If you have more like a texture, also go for a blurring primer, but I don't have any of it, so I'm just going in with a glowy primer. Depending on your skin type, go for that. Next, I'm color correcting. It's an important step. If you're having some decoloration, everyone has a bit of decoloration, just definitely go ahead and like color correct your skin. Otherwise, whatever you apply on top will just look not good, maybe ashy as well. Even if you're not doing any concealer or anything like that, just make sure to color correct. Even just go in with a foundation, that is fine after color correcting. But if you're not doing color correcting and you're doing everything else, yes, foundation might not look that good. So just go in with a color corrector. So I'm using like a peachish color corrector because my undertone is more like a pink undertone. So if you have like golden undertone, go for a like orange corrector. So mine is this. You can definitely see it cancelled out all of my discoloration under my eyes. So I'm using a pink one. If depending on your skin tone, just go for what suits you. So I'm just applying it all over my under my eyes. I'm not gonna be applying it on my lid because I don't have like, for the look I'm going for, I do not need to do conceal or anything like that. So I'm just gonna leave that right there. Applying it rest of it on wherever I need, like a little bit of concealing, like under like on the what you call near my mouth. I do have light discoloration as well, so I'm also going to be applying it there as well. So just like removing all of the discoloration and making my skin even tone. And then on top of it, I will go in with a foundation, so the foundation will not turn ashy or look something weird. This will make sure my foundation looks amazing. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just going over all the spots with just a brush. I'm not going to be applying too much on my lid, just going in with whatever's remaining. If I get coverage, I get it, otherwise it's fine. So I'm just going to lightly apply it and just blend it out with this brush. And next I'm going with a foundation, so I'm skipping the concealer altogether. If you want like extra brightness, you can go in with a concealer after your foundation, but I'm going for a soft glam natural makeup look, so I'm just going to skip that part. But if you're like making it a little bit heavy makeup, you can go in with a like a concealer, lighter concealer on top. But this is good for me, so I'm just applying it like a nice layer of this foundation. So I have done the color corrector, so my foundation will not turn ashy at all. It looks amazing. Next, going with a like a cream blush. This one is pretty good blush. It like applies really well, blends really well, and gives me like a nice flush of color. And without makeup also, this looks really nice. So this is from Swiss Beauty, I think, and it is a pretty good product. All the products will be linked down below if you're interested to check them out. So this is the blush right here. I'm applying it. It is a little bit more than needed, but after you're setting your face and everything, the first thing that moves from your face is probably the blush. So even over applying is fine. After you set and everything, it will be a perfect amount of blush. So I'm just applying that and just lightly setting my face with a powder that is my favorite. Again, it's from Lakme, and it is like a pinkish powder, so that suits me. So that's why I'm just applying it that underneath my eyes. I also dusted a little bit with a brush on all over my face. I just forgot to show you, but it doesn't like too much. But I do have like a lightly oily face, not too much but a little bit. So I just set my face lightly with a powder brush. But yeah, I forgot to show it, but I did that, and you can see that my face is like kind of matte. And then I just went ahead and filled my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are pretty thick, actually too thick. They were too thick, but when I started like threading, I just became a little bit smaller. But I'm okay with this. Actually, they were too thick and I did not like them, but this I like. So there are some sparse areas, so I just make sure that I get the shape and fill in anywhere that I need. Actually my eyebrows are pretty good, so I don't need to fill them in. If I do fill them in, they will look really unnatural. So this way this looks quite natural for me. You can see that it definitely looks natural and not like I have drawn on the eyebrows. That look is not pretty at all. So just filling in, and also of course like outlining my eyebrows just to give me that natural look. And that's it. I'm not gonna be applying any gel or anything. If you're interested and if you have like longer like hairs on your eyebrows, definitely set your eyebrows with a setting. You get a setting eyebrow setting gel. You can just use that to set your eyebrows, but I'm doing like heavy makeup, I will apply that. For normal days I like to skip it and I don't go for setting, but this is good for me. But if I'm going for a more wedding look, I will definitely set my eyebrows as well, because that make sure that they stay in place and last longer for me. So that's definitely a good pro tip for you guys. Next I'm going in with the contour, so you can definitely apply or skip the contour, it's up to you. My face is quite chubby, so I like to go in with a contour, give me like a chiseled face. But if I'm going for a more chubby face, I will skip it. But it's good to like sculpt your face whenever you want, so this definitely helps to like make sure my face is a little bit less chubby than it is actually. So I just make sure that I apply it wherever I feel like I don't want to be showing. So wherever you want to hide, you're applying a contour, and wherever you want to highlight, you're applying a highlighter. So that is the like main thing you need to know. According to your face, you can change it and apply wherever you like makeup is subjective. You can like whatever you like, you can definitely do, but this is just like a general guide for you guys. So I'm just applying it wherever I need, and I want to get rid of in my face wherever the spaces I need, like especially when the chin area above, like wherever I apply a blush, from there below I like to cancel out. So I just do light contour there, that is not too much short but still there, so my cheeks look a little bit less than they are. So I like that look. And next I'm going in with eyeshadow. I'm using a darker brown eyeshadow and just applying it underneath my eyes. So I've done everything else, so I don't need to worry about like underneath I have to apply concealer or anything like that. So I'm going in with a like brown eyeshadow underneath my eyes, then taking like a darker it's not like a burgundy color but still like a brown color only but darker, and just applying it all over my lid, especially concentrating on the outer area and applying it nicely and blending it really well. Take your time and blend your products, otherwise they will look really cakey or not blended, and that does not look good. You should give like a nice seamless look. So keep on blending. You can see that I've taken only one time product and just applying it and blending it. Blending is the key. Okay, so I just blended it right there. Next I just go in with a cream color to just apply it all over the lid area. You can cut your crease and do everything like that, but I'm going for a soft look, so you don't need to cut your crease. This will make sure you can do cut crease even without like cutting your crease and everything. So this will give me the illusion of cutting crease. And also I'm using a lighter color because my eyes are kind of hooded eyes, so I wanted to make sure that you can see what I'm applying on my face, and also they look a little bit bigger if I do lighter color of on my like lid. So I just went over wherever my lid closes. I just went a little bit over because my eyes are hooded eyes, so I wanted like my eyes to look a little bit bigger. So I just applied like a cream color and just blended it out once more with the brown shadow. I didn't take too much, I'm just blending it, that's all. Blending both the products together. I'm also going to be doing the same thing on my other eye as well. Quite simple, just applying it all over my lid and just blending it out with the brush. Again, if I feel like there anywhere I need to add more, I will just add and keep blending until I get my desired look. Next I'm going in with a mascara. Without this I just feel like my eyes are not complete. You can go liner if you want, but I personally I was in love with the liner before, but now I'm just like I don't like it that much. But it's up to you, if you want to you can. I don't, so I'm just going in with a mascara. You can also tight line your eyes, but like lining my eyes are just not my what you call, just not my calling. I just hate when I line my eyes. I don't know why my eyes get watery, they get dry, so I just skip it mostly. But I do it sometimes. If I'm going for a more traditional look, I'll definitely go it. But right now I'm skipping. It's up to you. Of course, I told you, just makeup is subjective, so you can do whatever you like. So I'm just applying the mascara, and I love this mascara particularly right now because this gives me lashes. Actually, I never can see my lashes, and no mascara works for me, but this one is pretty good. It has two heads, so it one is volumizing and one is lengthening, so it works for me. So I am doing that. Next, I am going in with a cream highlighter. So this one from Swiss Beauty again is pretty good. You can apply it on top of your powders even after you set your powder face as well, because it does not go in patchy. This is pretty good product. So I just applied it wherever I want to highlight my face, like on my cheekbone, my nose, on my cupid's bow, like underneath my eyebrows, and also in a corner that I wanted, like like if you applied there, no, your eyes look really popped, and I love that look, especially for a small eyes like me. They are really amazing looking. Next, I'm going in with a liner. So this one is not available liner, so I'm just going to link a similar product down below, just as good. I'm using it as well, but this one is my all-time favorite. So I just found some shades that are same for this, because I thought this one might be available someday, but this is just not available. So I'm just going to be linking some similar products down below as well if you're interested. So this is the lip liner I'm going in with. So I'm just lining my lip. Lower lips I line correctly onto my lips. Upper lips I like to line a little bit more, depending on the look I'm going for, a little bit more or two more or two less, depending on the look. You can of course change it up. So I'm just overlining my lips, and I just blend it with my hands or your lips itself, and then going in with a nude lipstick, and the look is finished. So you can update this look according to what you want. Just make sure your blush and lipstick are like in the same tones. That will make sure that your makeup looks flawless. Like eye makeup will go with any lipstick, anything, because that is a nude lip makeup. And everything else you can change it up. You can add a gloss, you can add like a color on your eyes as well. Just make sure your blush and lipstick are kind of on the same tone. You will be good to go. This is an amazing look. Every girl should definitely know this one look. You can use this for every day, any functions, and definitely this will look amazing. So definitely give this a try. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye and take care.